Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E40 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this Motorola. First of all, access Play Store and install your new default apps. I will go with only Opera mini browser. As you can see, I have it already over here, so I can click on Home button and go into Devices Settings right away. After that, you need to choose Apps and Notifications, choose Advanced and click on Default Apps. Then tap on one of those sections. I want to change my browser, so I have to click on Browser app at the top, click on Opera to set it up, and choose the Back button. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!